Welcome back. We love having our friends from Guthrie in studio. Recently, we met with Corey Bellis, who was excited to share more about growth opportunities within the Guthrie Clinic. That's what we're about to see in this sponsored segment. The Guthrie team appreciates the gravity of a career decision, from physicians to those in entry-level positions, and that's what we're talking about in today's segment. Joining us now is the VP and Chief Talent and Experience Officer, Corey Bellis. Welcome to PA Live. It's great to have you.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
We've been talking a lot about the Guthrie difference and what a great place Guthrie is to work, but let's start maybe with your experience and how you got started with Guthrie.
So Guthrie was my first entry into healthcare. I had worked in industry prior, and it was honestly a wonderful, wonderful experience. The mission of Guthrie, the ability to care for patients and really make that meaningful difference, is something that is not just a tagline, it is something that we live each and every day. So although I'm not a clinician, I have the gift and the privilege of being able to make sure that we have the right clinicians when our patients need them the most.
Yeah, and I think that just goes to show there's opportunity for growth within the company too, and opportunity to continue that professional development. So talk to us about the programs that are in place there.
So there's a significant number of opportunities to grow. So whether you're a physician, a provider, a caregiver, we have opportunities through residencies and fellowships for individuals to really kind of grow as new learners. We have opportunities for our clinicians to actually grow also through leadership opportunities, whether they want to move on to be a chief, a chairman, and or potentially even our CEO. We are a physician-led organization, and really provide those opportunities to not only provide exceptional care to our patients when they need us the most, but also to have fulfilling, rewarding professional experiences. So from a provider perspective, those opportunities are there. Also for our non-provider caregivers as well. We have clinical ladders. We have clinical affiliations with educational institutions who trust us to train new opportunities for individuals to grow in their new skills. We have the opportunities to be able to grow new leaders. We also have opportunities to be able to build upon where somebody is from a professional life perspective. Sometimes individuals want to dial back their opportunities based upon work-life needs. They can do that here. So you really can have it all here, whether it is to be able to grow from a professional perspective, but also balance those work-life needs. So really, the sky's the limit.
Yeah, and to have that support built in can really be key and a game changer for someone's career, but also on the patient side, because it all comes back to the patients for you guys. And I know that you've even seen maybe some community members who have always linking back to Guthrie. Talk to us about that cyclical nature and how if maybe you had a Guthrie caregiver, you become a Guthrie caregiver.
So at Guthrie, we have the ability to provide a meaningful difference for those that we serve. Those that we serve are our family members, they are our community members, and oftentimes we have the privilege of welcoming into our organization multi-generational caregivers. So we do have the individuals that we touch are often those that we love and that we care for, and what better opportunity and again privilege to be able to make that meaningful difference.
Right, and it just goes to show how important that family element is to you guys and how the support is built in, and it really seems it's the Guthrie difference. We've been talking about it for a few weeks here on the show. If someone wants to continue that conversation and learn a little bit more, maybe become one of those caregivers, what's the best place to reach out?
Well, they can reach out in terms of looking at our current opportunities through our careers website. They can also reach out to any of our recruiting teams. I know Becky Frisbee has been spoken about, but truly Call Human Resources would be happy to engage in those possibilities.
Lots of opportunities to learn more. Corey, thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Of course.